it. Let's move. Let's go to a little new segment, where I will be embarrassing Ian. Guess that goal horn. So I'm gonna play goal horn. You guys can play along at home too. Ian, you are gonna guess that goal horn. All right.
Sure.
Disclaimer: Ian is really bad at this. Somehow he's bad. I don't think he even listens to the goal horn when he watches games.
I watch the goals.
Which is surprising.
The goal horn.
The goal horn is like the best part, which is I don't know why he doesn't watch them. So Ian, I'm gonna get you to turn away from your screen. Ian?
Yeah, I know.
Are you away? Are you looking away?
Yes, I'm looking away.
Okay.
Well,
right.
I'm waiting.
Okay.
The Habs got scored on with like 8 seconds left in the period.
Yep,
again.
I saw that. It's annoying. It's annoying me. All right. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Sorry, we got an ad, folks.
Enter to win double prizes.
All right, you can look now if you want.
I forget. Okay. Yeah, I definitely remember, like, I'm pretty sure there's only really one option, but I have no idea.
Hey, look away for a second.
Team.
Are you looking away?
Not right now. It's an American team. Yeah, you can. Okay, I'm looking away.
Any guesses, Ian? And folks at home, any guesses?
I'm gonna guess Detroit. Who was it?
Man, you are really bad at this, aren't you? Folks, that was Vegas.
Oh.
With the, I don't like that horn at all. You know what? Before we end the show, at the end, I'll probably rank my 5 favorite gold horns, just for fun. That's for fun. So, Ian, you are 0 for 1. All right,
Absolutely.
look away. Look away.
Okay. Isn't this Chicago?
Congrats! Got it! You got
That's
it.
what I thought.
I was going to be so disappointed. I played the school horn so many times that I was going to be so disappointed if you didn't get it. Congrats. Yeah. So, Ian,
okay,
1 for 2.
More.
2 more. I have 2 more I want to play. Look away.
Okay.
Look away. Look away.
Yeah.
All right. My bad. I messed up, guys. I'm going to have to do that again. Okay, look away again, because it's going to go right to where it was. Look away. Still look away. Dang it, I probably already gave it away. Okay, one more. Let's go.
Okay, I already know. Because of the goal song. That's the Maple Leaf. That's like basically the only one I hear because Colorado games don't show here, and they're the main team that I watch in Canada. So yeah,
Ian,
I got that one.
2 for 3. Nice. All right.
Okay, I'm
Go
not
away
getting
again.
the next one because you're gonna make it hard.
Look away again.
Yeah. I don't know.
Wait, look away for a sec.
Okay.
Okay. Any guesses, Ian?
Okay. I know it's not Boston. That's basically it. I really don't know.
Just say a team.
New Jersey.
No, you were actually decently close there, but you're incorrect. It is the New York Islanders.
Oh,
All right, folks,
Well-
that wraps up Guess That Goal Horn. Ian, 2 for 4. Actually, very surprised. I expected him to go 0 for 4, but he surprised me. So let me just quickly give everybody who actually listens to the Goal Horn at home or listens to the Goal Horns when they are scored or when people score, they actually pay attention, unlike somebody. Let me put you on and let me tell you what are the 5 best goal horns in the league, all right? So Ian will not be you don't need to look away because number 5. I won't play it, but it is the New York Islanders goal horn. One you just listen to, folks. It's pretty dang good. In my opinion. It's elite. It's quite the horn. Plus the goal song is pretty good.
Yeah.
Wait. Number 4. Number 4, Toronto. I already played it, so I won't play it again, but it's pretty. It's good. It's boosted by the
I
fact
like
that
Toronto's. Toronto's
goal
is
song.
probably my favorite one, but that's probably because I haven't listened to most of them.
I mean, you're not wrong. Like Toronto's is really good. The
Yeah.
goal song is also. I like the goal song a lot. I do admit I'm quite the fan of the goal song. And at number 3, wait, I need to make sure I'm not forgetting this team. Okay, it's a little biased, but
Montreal.
but
I haven't even heard it. Or I have, but I just don't remember it.
I like it. I like it better. It's better in arena, or it's better like live. When you're watching a Canadiens game and you hear
You've never been to Montreal.
Suzuki scores.
It's so high pitched.
It's almost like you can't tell me it's not too different from this one.
Hello, hungry hockey fans. Steve Dangle here. Join me as I make one of my favorite intermission recipes with Cavendish Farms.
Like this is like pretty high pitched too.
I guess. Okay, what's
All
your
right.
second favorite?
Second favorite. It's close between these two teams, but
Oh yeah, I thought this was your favorite.
Nope. Second. This is elite, folks.
Your
It
notice
has-
your favorite team as well.
I hate this horn when it's against my team, but man, it's a good horn. I'm sure Leafs fans also hate this horn, but I digress. The best horn in the league, however.
Oh, you already played it.
I'm playing it again, folks.
I like the Bruins one better.
This one has arguably the best goal song in the league. In fact, sorry to interrupt. This is literally my ringtone.
Yeah.
I love it. It's actually really good, folks. So
The
now,
Blackhawks, in case you didn't know.
yeah, it's Chicago Blackhawks. Now you know when you're watching New York Islanders, Maple Leafs, Canadians,
And-
Bruins, and Blackhawks. Pay attention to their goal horns and goal stones.